So hi and hello there, welcome to the new video of the course, and from this particular video we are going to study a new concept, that is logic gates. Okay, and in this particular video we are going to see the definition of logic gates and the types of logic gates that we are going to study. Okay, so without wasting any further time, we'll straight away jump to this particular lecture. So let me write over here definition of logic gates. So this is the definition of logic gates. Okay, and according to the definition, the circuit, just a second, yeah, the circuit which acts as a gate is known as logic gate. Which acts as a gate, that means what? That is gating output getting output getting output only for certain input, okay, only for certain input. So this is the basic definition of logic gates. Okay, that we'll see in the upcoming videos, like how exactly we are getting uh, the output only for certain inputs. Okay, and why we are not getting output for certain inputs, that we are going to see. It solely depends on what gates or what logic gates you are using. Okay, so now we'll see different types of logic gates. So let me write over here types of logic gates. Types of logic gates. Types of logic gates that we are going to study. The very first type is, just a second, yeah, basic logic gates. Basic logic gate. Basic logic gates, which includes AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So they are as follows, that is, just a second, sorry, AND gate. So just a second, NOT gate first. We'll study first NOT gate, then we'll study OR gate, right? And then at the end we'll study AND gate. So these are the three types of gates which comes under the basic logic gates. Then moving further, we are going to study universal logic gates. Okay, so we are going to study a universal logic gate. Just a second. So this is the second type of logic gates that we are going to study, and they are known as what? Universal logic gates. Universal logic gates. It consists of two logic gates, that is NAND and NOR. Let me write over here NAND gate and NOR. Okay, moving further, the third, that is exclusive logic gate. Just a second, let me use certain different color, maybe we'll go with this one. Yeah, so third type of gate, it is known as what? Exclusive logic gate. Exclusive gates or exclusive logic gates. And it includes certain gates, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. Just a second, XOR gate and XNOR gate. XNOR gate. So these are the types of gates that we are going to study in this particular course, or in this particular upcoming videos, in the upcoming videos. Okay, so let me write certain thing further. So like why we call NAND and NOR gate as universal logic gate, and why we call these two particular special gates as exclusive gates. Okay, so there is a reason for that, and let me write that particular reason over here. The reason is by using NAND gate or NOR gate, okay, or by both, what you can do, we can, just a second, using NAND gate or NOT gate, we can implement or design, it's up to you, you can write anything, we can implement or design any logic gate, and therefore it is known as universal logic gate. Just a second. Therefore it is known as universal logic gate. I hope you understood this particular thing, that why it is known as universal logic gate. That means what it tries to tell is that by using NAND gate we can implement NOT gate, we can also implement OR gate, we can also implement AND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate, right? So basically just by using NAND gates we can implement this particular thing, and same goes with NOR. With NOR we can implement this or this, or sorry, not OR, we can implement this and we can implement this as well, you can implement this and this as well, right? So basically with this particular two gates we can implement or we can design all these particular gates, and that's why it is known as a universal. I mean these two particular both things, they are known as, or these two particular both gates, they are known as universal logic gates. Okay, now coming to the third, that is exclusive gates. Okay, what is known as exclusive? So for that, just a second, let me use maybe I will take this color. So exclusive gates are special gates. I'll write over here exclusive gates are the special gates, are the special gate as they are used in what? As they are used in wide application, as they are used in wide applications. For example, I would write example comparator, or in any arithmetic circuits, we will see what exactly these things are and how we are able to implement it with this particular gates in the upcoming videos or in the upcoming sessions, so you need not worry about this particular thing. Okay, so now I hope that you understood that why this particular special gates, they are known as exclusive gate, and why this particular NAND and NOR gate, they are known as what? Universal gate. Okay, universal logic gate. So I hope that you understood the basic definition and the types of logic gates that we are going to study. Okay, so if you have any doubts, feel free to ask me at any time. So I'm ending this video over here. Thank you.